Keeping one step ahead of dangerous weather is not always easy for emergency agencies.
Well, now when it floods, Dorchester County's emergency management team has a tool that they say is faster and more accurate.
This is an example of a lesson learned from a past event.
Handling heavy flooding at and around the bridge on Highway 78 at the Ashley River is getting high tech.
We're out here installing a water sensor on the Ashley River.
That sensor will better detect trouble like this, major flooding on several bridges in Dorchester County during Tropical Storm Debby in 2024.
We wanted to get more kind of upstream and be able to see that water coming and with more advanced notice.
Until now, deputies took pictures to update flood impacts. Experts say this new tool is quicker and more accurate.
This sensor will give community the data to know when high flood events occur so they can better prepare in what other ways they need to.
The multi-$1,000 device won't cost Dorchester County any money. The Southeastern Coastal Ocean Observing Regional Association, or SECORA, is paying for it. The data updates every 6 minutes, 24/7, 365 days a year.
You can watch the water go up, 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 and you can say, oh, okay, so compared to our baseline, this is what we have now. This is kind of what we're looking at coming downstream.
The data streams into other areas, showing that the sensor can be a future success along the East Coast.
We installed sensors and it was able to help emergency management with areas that the road becomes inaccessible because of flooding.